Hello everyone, so this is just a news update regarding the 2022 filing season. According to this article from iol.co.za, SARS announces the income tax return deadlines for the 2022 season. What's surprising is they say SARS has announced the deadline for the filing of the income tax returns, but this article was dated the 1st of June. So they say SARS has already done this. However, then in the very next paragraph, they said on the 3rd of June, SARS will publish the deadlines for taxpayers that has to file a tax return. So it's weird that they say SARS have already announced it on the 1st of June, and then they say no, but actually on the 3rd of June. So yeah, it seems like SARS is going to give the deadlines for the 2022 tax season tomorrow. But part of that, so the first one that I want to make you aware of is the intention that SARS is probably going to issue auto assessments for people with simpler tax returns. So, the standard RP5, medical aid, and RA. And on the auto assessment, you'll likely get an SMS to say that, an auto assessment has been issued. Your responsibility then is to go onto e-filing, either accept or edit the return. If you edit the return, you can file the return yourself. That is what I personally recommend. But the second thing, and this is really problematic, is that SARS also intends to issue estimated assessments. From the start of a filing season, SARS may issue an estimated assessment, not an auto assessment. So an estimated assessment is often based on past returns that you filed, and if you received one, so basically you have 40 business days to submit a correct tax return if you do not agree to the estimated assessment. The other problem with the estimated assessment is that you can't object or appeal against it. And 40 business days, so let's say the assessment was issued on the 3rd of July, then so 20 business days from there is about 30 calendar days or 28 calendar days. So that would be 3rd July to 3rd August, that is 20, and then 40 business days would be 3rd September, roughly. So by the 3rd of September, if you haven't yet submitted the correct return, if you disagree with the estimated assessment, then your window of opportunity is closed. So that is really problematic. So just be aware of that. So yeah, it's just a news update. I'll obviously make another video to properly communicate what the deadlines are. However, also according to this article, based on, I don't know where they got this information exactly from. It's not like SARS already disclosed this, but they do intend. But the deadline for the 2022 filing season for non-provisionals seems to be moved back to the 24th of October, 2022. So instead of the deadline being in November, it seems to be moved earlier to the 24th of October. Cheers, everyone.